Hi my little friends, welcome to the Play TV. Today I'll show you my favorite animals and I will start with the king of the whole animal world, a lion. Yes, that's right, a lion. My next favorite animal is a tiger. Let's say it one more time, tiger. The next favorite animal is a hippopotamus, or hippo for short. And the last animal is an elephant. Repeat it one more time, elephant. All big animals have their smaller version. This is a small hippopotamus. This is a small lion. Next one is a small tiger. And the last one is a small elephant. Now let's repeat our animals, and we will use the words big and small. Let's start with the lion family. This is a big lion, and this is a small lion. Our next family is a hippopotamus family. This is a big hippopotamus, and this is a small hippopotamus. See you later, hippopotamus! Next family is an elephant family. This is a big elephant, and this is a small elephant. Bye, elephants! Our last family is a tiger family. This is a big tiger, and this is a small tiger. We're done for today. See you in the next video.